Andrew Circle on near lane 617 Dow on the GSXR 1000 Suzuki. Richie Bunning on the 2006 ZX10 602. Two quick street bikes. Final, an SBR8 for the bikers.
One round. Great. See the friendship.
Sharky goes red. Richie with a 005. Boy, that'll put you in on the lower end of the top Beaver. In the near lane, Scott Cage, Door Slammer, 613 down, 1986 Ford Tempo. Andrew Selfman, Chevrolet powered small block dragster down 530. Winner of this goes into top Beaver. Top end, Scott runs under by 0.03 of a second. Andrew runs a 30 on a 30 with 0.06 to the good. On to the victory. 0.009 of a second.